he was one of the guys. I mean, nobody really looked at him as the son of the president or anything. I mean, he was one of us.
His father became president while we were in grade school. I never saw him take advantage of that in the later years. Every time we would bump into each other and see each other, he always said hello, he always greeted me, was always very nice to the entire batch.
Wala kami maaalala na dahil sa presidente siya, giniit niya, ganon, dahil nasa kapangyarihan siya, hindi. He was a normal, regular guy. And we enjoyed play. Just everybody was in short pants, he was in short pants. So lahat kami, walang rango. Basta magkakaklase lang kami. In 1999, we celebrated our 25th high school, yung Silver Jubileum. So, hinanap ko siya. Nasa Ilocos siya nung governor siya. So, I wasn't sure whether he was, would he still remember and, reconnect. So, when I called him, nandyan ba si governor? Wala po, sir. Nasaan? Sir, bumabagyo ngayon dito eh. Nag-inspection nasa 6x6 truck. Yung style niya yun. Talagang pag merong calamity, lalakad yun. To inspect. Ganun talaga. After siguro mga several hours, tumawag siya, "Hi, Benny, ganun. No, we're celebrating this." "Okay, I'll go there." Tapos sinabi niya, "Iniimbita ko kayong lahat. Pumunta kayo dito sa Ilocos. Ha? Tapos, teka muna, baka mapapagastos kami dyan." Hindi, sabi niya, "Akong bahala sa inyo." So, pumunta kami. The first batch was about 20 plus. And Bongbong coined it, that first trip, the Great Ilocos Trek.
BBM epitomizes down-to-earth nature.
Bonget or BBM is a very sincere person. He's a very warm person. So there's no distance.
He's our lifelong friend,
He will always be a brother. Everybody here
Definitely,
will always be a brother.
I think we are very fortunate and we thank the Lord who gave us all of this. Ika nga nung pare, di ba? Lahat ito pinahiram lang sa atin eh. We are just stewards. And Bong knows that. He knows that he's a steward for the legacy of his father. He's a steward of his own gifts in himself. And nagpapasalamat talaga kami na we are close even up to this day.